I'm Matt Mulcahy.
I'm Jackie Robinson. The stepbrother of 11-year-old Erin Maxwell is headed to prison after getting the maximum sentence for murdering the little girl. Alan Jones was sentenced today to 25 years to life in prison for strangling Erin. Jones's attorney says he is filing an appeal, and now the question is whether an appeals court will set him free. Jim Kenyon has been following the story.
Alan Jones left court for a 25 years to life prison sentence. In one of the most emotionally charged murder cases in Oswego County history, Jones was convicted of the strangulation murder of his 11-year-old stepsister, Erin Maxwell. She was found unresponsive in a house full of animals, garbage, and feces.
I hope because of this trial and the conviction that there's some awareness that if you neglect, abuse, or physically harm a child, the police and prosecutors are going to come after you to make sure you're held responsible.
During his trial, Jones claimed Erin accidentally hanged herself while playing with a rope, but the prosecution proved to the jury she was strangled. At sentencing, Alan Jones spoke so softly he could hardly be heard.
He said that in no way, shape, or form would he ever hurt anybody. Would he ever harm anyone if he was released?
Jones also told the judge, "I don't see this case going very much farther in the courts," meaning both he and defense attorney Lanza are confident that the conviction will be thrown out on appeal. That appeal is based on the idea that neither the indictment nor the evidence fit the criteria for depraved indifference murder. And even Judge Walter Hafner said this is a question for the appellate division to sort out. Much has been made of a juror coming forward after the verdict and saying that he's had second thoughts and making allegations of improper conduct during deliberations. The juror essentially said they ignored certain evidence, the judge's instructions on the law, and he was pressured to vote guilty. But the judge did not overturn the verdict.
A court doesn't look back at the deliberative process that went on within the jury room. If we were to do that, that means every jury verdict at some point is subject to review.
Now that Alan Jones received the maximum sentence, Lanza says he will file his appeal. Jim Kenyon, Action News.